Hello everyone, I'm Engineer James Okorie, the founder and director of Okorie Technical Institute. Now, this week we have been talking about CCTV camera installation. And as a technician, as an engineer, as an electrician, you are supposed to know how to do CCTV camera installation. And we have been talking about the three kinds of CCTV cameras. We talked about the analog type, we talked about the IP network type, and also we talked about the standalone type. So we have already discussed the analog, whereby you can connect it with the DVR. It works with DVR, also with coaxial cable and VSC connectors and all the rest of them. But today, I want us to discuss about the IP network cameras. The IP network camera. So what is IP network camera? We are talking about IP network camera. We are talking about internet protocol cameras. Now, with me here are IP network cameras. How do you identify IP cameras? When you check these IP cameras, you see that they have this network head, so that you can be able to connect them with internet cable. It can be the Cat6 cable, sometimes most of them, or some of them also use Cat5. So this is IP network cameras, and IP network cameras are more preferable compared to when you want to use the analog type camera. The reason is that the IP network cameras, their pictures and the video quality are very sharp, and again, you can remotely view them even without individually. All right, but if it's analog camera, it means that you must work with the DVR, the digital video recorder. But this one work with what we call the NVR, network video recorder, and also you can pick up one camera to check the camera on its own. But the IP network, the analog camera, you must have to work with the DVR if you want to remotely view the camera with your phone or with any other device. So in this case, we are talking about the IP network cameras. It can be indoor camera, it can be outdoor camera. When you talk about the indoor cameras, we're talking about dome cameras that can be mounted indoorly, so that it can be able to be used to monitor or to watch or to view whatever that is happening indoorly. But the outdoor cameras are mounted outdoorly. This outdoor camera with me here, so this is indoor camera. Outdoor cameras are most times called the bullet cameras, while the indoor cameras most times called the dome cameras. So you can work with these. Please understand that the configuration of these IP cameras is different from the analog type. So anybody can do the analog type even if you don't have experience in CCTV system. But this one, you have to have experience in CCTV system before you can do the connection of this one. But the good news is that at Okorie Technical Institute, we practically teach you how to install the IP network cameras, how to configure the IP network cameras, and also how to do everything that concerns IP network cameras, right? So these are IP network cameras. In our next video, we'll be teaching about how to practically connect these cameras, all right, using the NVR and using the Wi-Fi and using the internet switch and also using the monitor, and also how you can be able to configure it and use it with your phone, because that's the work of these IP cameras, so that you can be able to enjoy it. Now, IP cameras are expensive compared to the analog camera. That's the disadvantage. So if you are looking for something that is cheap, you better go for analog camera. But if you can afford IP cameras, trust me, it's worth it. And also, IP cameras are expensive to maintain. In case if you want to go for maintenance system, analog type is cheaper than IP camera. So IP cameras, the disadvantage are the high price, but apart from the high price, everything about IP camera is lovely. All right, so why not learn how to install IP cameras today and then enjoy it? I'm Engineer James Okorie, and this is Okorie Technical Institute, where we practically train people on solar installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, AutoCAD design, smart home automation, electrical wiring and installation, which include the domestic, the commercial, and the industrial. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street in Yoruba, Lagos State. You can call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen. In case if you want to enroll for our training, we offer both the physical training and online training. So our physical training are pure hands-on practical training. Our online training are also recorded practical training. All right, so you can enroll for any of these training. Thank you very much.